Hi first grade, Miss Wingard here. For this Seesaw activity, you are going to be measuring using many blocks and one block. And I'm going to show you how that works using some of the items in my measurement kit to measure the length of my mouse. So the first thing I need to do is when I look at some of the items in my kit, I notice that I have large paper clips and I have small paper clips. It's really important that I use all the same size. So I am going to go ahead and separate the large paper clips from the small paper clips. And for my measuring today, I'm going to choose to use the small paper clips. So I'm going to pull these large paper clips out of the way. So what I'm going to do is I am going to bring my paper clips down. I'm going to line them up so the front of my mouse is right there at the front of my first paper clip, and I am simply going to line them up. I want to make sure that I do not have any gaps and I do not have any overlaps. I'm using the same unit as well. Okay, so when I look carefully, I see 1, 2, 3. My mouse is about 3 paper clips long. Now this time, I want to measure my mouse and I am only going to use 1 unit or 1 paper clip to do this. So again, I am going to line this up right at the front. And if I don't draw lines or if I am just kind of moving this and guessing, so that looks like 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 paper clips long. First grade, I want to make sure I'm measuring very carefully, and so I want to show you how I can do this. I'm going to line this up right there at the front of my mouse, and I'm going to take my pen and I'm going to draw a straight line right there at the edge of that paper clip. So that was 1. So far it's 1 paper clip. Now I'm going to come here and line up the front of that paper clip to the line and draw another line at the back. I'm going to do my best. So that was 2. Let me do one more. And that looks to be about 3. So I'm going to take and write 3. So first grade, even when I am using one item to measure, I can still measure and get the same count of 3. I'm just drawing these lines at the front and back of the paper clip so that I know I am measuring very carefully without gaps or overlaps. Now it's your turn. Go to the next 2 pages in Seesaw and try measuring with many blocks or many items and then 1 item.